All right, y'all. Day one of the challenge complete. A almost 2 minute trading day turned into like a 10 minute trading day. I got in here because we had nice momentum on the 1 minute chart and on the three and the five. As you can see, the three and the five, we were going down. I was hoping we came up in here and came back out. We did here, so it helped. But then we edged my TP twice. We literally edged my TP. This would have been a 2 minute trading day. If we came here, boom, my stop. You see my target was like right there. This blue arrow. You see how close it is over here? Came up again, edged it again here, and then we finally came down and took it out. And now we're going back up. I couldn't see if there's any liquidity because on IndiTrader it's just you cannot. It's so hard to like zoom out. So I think I am gonna still need Trading View to zoom out and see if there's liquidity because there probably there was liquidity here. So I wanted to make sure like I wasn't getting greedy on my 200 and then liquidity was right here. And we were just gonna reverse, as you can see. But 200 is a good number. That's why I do it. Even if you're going the wrong way, you still get your target, boom. And then if it goes 600 the other way, the rest of the day, boom, you still get 200 if you're right. You get 200 if you're wrong for the most part. My 50K account did not link. I don't know why. My Rhythmic is right here, and I'm logged in, so I don't know why. Yeah, I don't. Oops, I don't know why I did that. I don't know why it did that, but we got 100 on the live account, 420 on the 150K, which is funded, and then $1,000 on the eval. So it's a $3,500 day, and I'm aiming for around a $3,800 day, if that makes sense. But either way, we did good, and day one of the challenge complete. So just adding the EMAs has made trading so much easier because you just see the momentum. Even if you got in on this retap of the 3 minute, you still got 300, 200 ticks. That's all. Just what I need to get a payout. And hey, boom. We're about to get IFEG on the 1 minute for the IFEG traders. I think Tay might be taking this. Who knows? But good day for me. So I'm going to close. I'm going to go to the gym. And yeah, day one in the books. I truly love it here.